I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study for long hours in medical school step by step. Start by building a realistic daily plan with 50-minute sessions and 10-minute breaks. Break tasks into focused goals and group related subjects for deep work. Use a visible timer and a simple checklist to track wins. Rotate heavy topics with light review to avoid burnout, and remember to hydrate and stretch between sessions for better focus. I explain practical techniques that keep you focused and efficient during long study days. Use active recall with flashcards or practice questions every session, and apply spaced repetition to lock in memory. Summarize concepts in your own words and teach them aloud to an imaginary peer to reveal weak spots. Swap subjects every 2 or 3 sessions to maintain freshness, and use question banks to simulate exam conditions for better retention. I help you balance intense study with body care so long hours stay sustainable. Aim for consistent 7 to 8 hour sleep windows and schedule naps only when necessary to avoid disrupting nights. Eat balanced meals with protein and complex carbs to sustain energy and avoid heavy sugars. Move every hour with light stretching or a short walk, and practice simple breathing exercises to reset focus before returning to study.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.